Welcome back to another episode of Upward and Onward, and today we are at the Times2 Academy in Providence. It's a charter school that helps students at an early age learn about all the great things about STEM. Now today we have 170 students who are in 4th, 5th, and 6th grade, and they're going to learn about virtual reality, machine learning, AI, and really the power of our blue economy. So think of renewable energy, tourism, and biotechnology. Some quick statistics for today. 97% of these students have never heard of the blue economy. 40% of them have never used VR goggles. 81% of the students have never met a computer scientist. I work as a software engineering manager, so today we're going to change 81% of the students' lives by introducing them to some code and letting them find the power of AI. Today's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go. So today at the Deep Sea Lab Station, the kids are going to be able to find the power of AI by customizing a submarine with all the cool features that they want and having generative AI show them an image in like 10 seconds. So let's get into it. We're gonna come here and change the color from being blue. Let's say it's going to be a yellow submarine that is very large and has robotic arms with fuzzy hats, because why not? It's winter time. We'll hit generate submarine and then we'll click run code. Now what's happening here is we're making a request to OpenAI to use DALL-E 2 to generate an image. And one of the cool things for the kids too is just being able to see what code is. They're 4th, 5th, and 6th graders. They might not know exactly what it is, but at least they'll be able to see something like this after they type in whatever comes to their imagination, and hopefully they get a good laugh. So. Okay, so we are at the Next Door lab and they're teaching the children new things today. So what are you teaching the children and who are you?
So my name is Jen. I work for a company called Inspire Environmental. We are based in Newport, Rhode Island. And basically we use cameras and other video tech to monitor seafloor health. And we do a lot of work for the offshore wind industry, seafood waste, contaminated sediments. Basically, we are hired by clients to make a report and tell them how healthy a certain area is.
Interesting. And can I ask you, what's your favorite part of doing that?
So I really enjoy exploring new data. So I work with a lot of geophysical data. So that's like side scan sonar and bathymetry. And it allows you to see the ocean in new ways. And it's very cool. We've been able to explore a good amount of the ocean that's been previously unexplored in great detail.
That is absolutely awesome. One thing that was highlighted today, which if you didn't know, now you know, only 5% of the world's ocean has ever been explored.
Yeah.
Am I right in saying that?
That's roughly, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, we're working on fixing that and increasing it.
Well, thank you for doing your part and thank you for spending some time with us.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was great meeting you.
You too. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here with a good friend of mine, Toye. It's so good to see you again.
Good to see you, Harlan.
I'm happy that we're here at this event today, having the kids be inspired, see what it's like to be in STEM, and learn about some cool new things. What are they doing at your station today, and what are they learning about?
So at our station, the Butler developed a virtual reality application so they can navigate the sea with a robot, and they're basically grabbing trash pollution, removing it, bringing it to the ship, and there's an AI analyzer. They're able to grab a specific fish, put it in the AI analyzer, then it'll give them the habitat, their diet, and what kind of fish it is.
That is unreal, man. These kids, 4th, 5th, and 6th graders, seeing what virtual reality is all about, and it's applicable to the blue economy. So let me ask you one thing. What was your favorite part of getting ready for this day? And then being here now, what's bringing you the most joy?
Oh, the kids just so engaged. I've never seen like these group of kids that like at this age, super engaged and super ready to learn. So yeah, that's amazing.
It is amazing. And thank you for doing your part. It's been a great day. And I can't wait for more of this. We should do more of this stuff, you know? Definitely. So let's do it.
All right.
Let's go. Thank you, bro. There we go. Just a quick question. One word to encapsulate how you feel right now.
Inspired.
Inspired. And for you?
Excited.
Excited. You guys heard it here first. Inspired and excited. That's what's going on today at the Times 2 Academy in Providence. Alrighty, guys. I'm here with somebody from the Times 2 Academy. Who are you and what do you do here?
My name's Keith Oliveira. I'm the Executive Director of Times 2 Academy, K-12 school in Providence.
Awesome. And how long have you been here?
I've been here at this school almost 2 years
Okay.
as Executive Director.
Nice.
But I've also served the school in other roles that I've had outside of the school before coming to run the school itself.
I see. Now, let me ask you, what's your favorite part of your job?
Favorite part of my job is stuff like this that exposes our students to a world beyond their current world.
That's right.
And what they're being exposed to today in the area of blue technology and seeing young brothers like you who are kind of look like them, come from where they come from, they can aspire to do things that what you're doing.
Yeah.
And so this is an opportunity to kind of plant the seed in their mind about what is possible.
That's right.
And then the opportunities that are ahead of them.
That's right. It's so important. For myself and a lot of the other people here volunteering their time, I feel like we feel like we're just so blessed to be in a position where we can take the time to inspire the youth. And I appreciate what you're doing because you do this daily. So thank you so much for doing your part. And I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of the other cool things that the Times 2 Academy does.
Yeah, we're having a fantastic day. It's a fun day. Thank you for doing what you're doing,
Of course.
and for who you are.
Of course. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, as you can see, we had a lot of fun here today. The kids learned a ton of things about STEM, and along that, I learned a lot myself. Learned a lot about what kids are into, how their creativity and imagination is really just through the roof. And what's so cool is just thinking about one day, if one of these students saw something here today and then goes on to do something really impactful in life. And what's really cool to think about is how them being exposed to things like this at a young age can go on and change their entire life. So for the people watching, I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to be dropping a lot more content this year, things that are really inspirational, motivational. So if you've enjoyed this video, drop a comment, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be back with way more content this year. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to the Upward and Onward podcast channel. It's going to be a ton of fun. Let's go.